What's up, y'all? It's Saturday. I'm back. Finally, man. I've been getting work till like 7 o'clock. Come home, change at 7:30, man. Might as well not even go to the shop for 2 hours, right? But anyway, I'm gonna drop y'all with an update on Tahoe for the most part. But it's gonna have little snippets of this and that. So let's get to it. Mounted and balanced these tires because this boy was getting low. I don't even know how we still got this car because that Malibu's supposed to be coming out soon. Got the big boys on there, man. Did it with this little tire machine. Still got 3 more to go. I kind of don't want to do it, though, because I don't want to damage nothing. That way, if something do get damaged, it's on the shop, not me. But one on, like I say, I don't want to damage nothing. They looking good. I don't want to nick, scratch, nothing. So if something happen, I don't want to blame it on somebody else. And these are one piece. They looking good though. And man, when I mounted this tire with some well, I got a little snippet of that. I'm gonna put it in right behind this. Burnt my eyelashes, eyebrows, and a little bit of my mustache.
2 days later.
It was funny though. Well, I'm gonna get ready to make a sub box probably soon. So I'm taking this over here. I got a lot of stuff over here that I didn't notice that I had. But a lot of this stuff going in the garbage. Because I'm not gonna use it. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna use these headers with turbo manifolds. So yeah, a lot of this other stuff like that air kit goes on the van. Oh man, here goes. I was looking for this box full of compressed pneumatic parts. I'm talking about compression. Pneumatic parts. Yep, I was looking for this. I don't need this water separator kit, spoiler. I do need this. Got a lot of stuff I need to connect pneumatic stuff to. Well, I just put this all in the box. I don't care about this paint. This car is a cheap car. Anyway, I think that's it, man. So we about to go ahead and take it to the shop. Front and back bumpers for the Tahoe. I'm about to go get it and bring it over here. We got a header panel. We got front light set, LEDs, them all the exhaust parts over there. 2-inch cowl hood. It's going on. But this not going on till the motor go back in. Then I put that on. But all the other parts, man, it's right here. I'm finna put a lot of this on right now. It ain't that cold. It's only 40. So it's pretty much a good day. About to go ahead and park it right here and get it on. So while the air compressor building pressure, while I'm doing a little body work here and there, I'll be jumping back and forth. I got the mirrors, but I had a problem, man. One came broke. Got a picture of it. I'll put it in right here. But I got the new mirrors. This the broke one. Yeah. The glass came broke. I already wiped it off and put it up. But they came painted. The glass scratched up a little bit of it. But I think you'll be able to polish it out. Then got this mint one. Came painted. Not a bad price either. I think it was like $80. Got a smart start. So going with a Viper alarm, and then adding that, you can literally start the car from anywhere from your phone. I recently just found out last night that this is an add-on to a Viper alarm, like a 2-way or 1-way or 1-way remote start. 2-way is just the button with the pager on it. Got some sawhorses, another primer gun, a whole bunch of little stuff. Cause man, if y'all don't know, man, cleaning Harbor Freight guns is like a waste. I found this out myself because the gun's only $10 with the coupon. So paint thinner, lacquer thinner, it's like $15. So it's like a waste. So anyway, I'm about to go get the truck over here. Get some work done. Let's see. Been sitting for a week and some change. Ooh, sound real good. It sound like a little knock. Probably because it's been sitting for a while. The oil got to get up in that motor. See, somebody did something here. Yeah, this was a chrome one. A lot of people don't know, man, but you gotta like peel that plastic off. That chrome plastic that come on, you gotta peel that off to paint over this. And somebody didn't do that. You can see it all right there. You can see how this is gloss black and this is like ashy black. But gotta let this warm up for a sec and then get it over there. Take the truck back. Yeah, I'm just talking right now. I actually found out that I'm not the only one over here doing this type of stuff. It's one other guy and he does it with motorcycles. So we recently talked. He seen the Chevy and was like, "Hey, you want to sell that?" It's like, "Nah, man." I think it was there. I put the tires on, something like that. But he was very interested in what I was doing. And then I seen his small shop. He got the same size that I used to have. And I was like, "Man, that's pretty cool." With motorcycles though. Yeah, I'm not really into motorcycles, into it, but let's say I'll jump on one and have some fun though. But other than that, man, power sports for me. I thought that was a piece of glass. But anyway, let's get this over there. That's pretty cool. AC. Let's see if it works. Yeah. The AC is working. Maybe it don't though, because you know it's cold outside and it works when it's cold, but I feel like it's working. Alright, let's cut that button off. You know, save some fuel, because this actually needs some. Let's see. Alright, we good. Gotta go ahead and take it over there. Power steering feels real tight, so hopefully the pump been replaced, because that was one of my questionable things. But let's see what under the hood is looking like. I'm pretty sure it's clean the way that the outside is looking. Not as clean as you would guess, but it's not bad. So like I said, with the exhaust, it's going some new headers. See, yeah, possibly a Freon leak. Everything else working fine. Changed the water pump just because the motor is going to be out. Yeah, that power steering does look fresh. Y'all can see. Well, the pressure hose is definitely new. Y'all can see it. The pressure hose is new. You can tell by the way it feels though, like if you've been driving for a while, or if you had this specific truck, because I had two of these, I know exactly what it feels like when the pressure hose is bad, because I had them blow multiple times. It look like you got dual batteries over here, possibly. Oh, okay, this power wire is going to the inside of the car. Anyway, about to go ahead and get a lot of this stuff off, change these lights, and then while I let the air compressor build some pressure, I'm gonna go ahead and replace these mirrors. And then one of the glass is broke, like I said, so we're gonna try to, I think that was the driver's side, we're just gonna try to take the glass off and then get it swapped over. All right, so for the bumpers, y'all know these come with the chrome bumpers. This bumper was chrome. Like I say, to paint over chrome, and you gotta do it right. And you can see the way it look and the way the car look. So we're gonna get this gloss black, taking all this off, swap it over to the other one. Look at that exhaust pipe, it look real nice. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna get that swapped over. The whole bottom is gonna be black. You see the bottom is grayish. The whole bottom is gonna be black. This bumper got a dent right there. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get to it. Got the new ones on. Have to go ahead and jump on the front so I can get some of them pieces on. Finna make sure all the electrical parts working on it. They look like a perfect match, but I can't really tell right now. I can hear. I'm just letting it run so I can hear everything. New tension for sure. There's possibly a new belt. The tension is for sure. Everything's smelling good, sounding good. I haven't drove it, just moved it over here. And this is why we need 10 mil bolts all the time. This thing ate 2 10 mils, man. One, hold on. Yeah, man, she ate 2 10 mils, one ratchet wrench and one socket. So the socket, I was just gonna say whatever, but once the ratchet wrench fell in there too, I was like, yeah, let me just get on here and take this panel off. But to take these panels off, man, from the bottom, just pull. So panels like that, I mean clips. So these sticking there, just pop them off. Once you do that, it's 2 screws right here, and then this trim ring. So you gotta pry around these 3 clips, because you just try to pull it off, it's gonna break. And then these just all snaps. And speaker is too, the OEM speaker. It's 1 clip and then 2 clamps that hold it in on this side. But yeah, that's how you get that off. Anyway, just about to put this on back on real quick. It's taking like 2 minutes, maybe less. Got it out. Well, I got them out. You can see what's going on in there. Got a replacement for it though. Show y'all that. And it's actually illuminated. Got most of the grill out. Just got to detach it from the filler at the bottom. Just clips going around. You're gonna take this whole thing off. This is junk. So we got replacement corner markers, replacement parking lights with the header panel. If I can get the Malibu top painted and glossed black, right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this and gloss this black. And then the back bumper, I can actually prep that while I'm prepping the Malibu bumpers, because the new bumpers, as requested, don't have any bumper strips, but it has the pieces for these. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to tackle that while we already spraying some black. All right, and just like that, it's back on. Literally less than 2 minutes. Screw these 2 in. Go get my drill for the rest. I just tested it and it do work fine. The other side, let me see, show y'all. Camera gonna be kind of shaky. Y'all can see it moving. Moving it up now. Yep, so put the old glass on there and see, make sure it's good. Got the LEDs in, fresh housing in. I'm about to take a peek at the new header panel and see like exactly what it's looking like as far as prep work, because I'm about to start doing a lot more sanding on this Malibu, so I can just jump on that while I let the air compressor build some pressure, because I still have the Malibu bumpers to prime and take off the bumper, so I can get this front piece prepped while I'm waiting on that. But yeah, man, all in all, it's looking good. Got that on, just doing a test fit. You always want to test fit your parts, man, because look, stuff like this, it's on, everything's lining up, but still it's not lining up like that. It's going over the radiator support, but once it get painted, it's gonna scratch. It's gonna scratch. Let me see something. Yeah, it gotta go over. Got to. It don't supposed to. The other one ain't come off like that, but it got to. But anyway, you can see it was doing some scratching on the OEM one on the fender. So there's nothing I can really do to stop that besides put some foam back there. But the paint is already gone, so I'll probably just put some epoxy primer on it and then call it one if I don't paint the car. But all in all, fit tight. Got a grill that goes over this. It's a mesh. Matter of fact, let me go get it. All right, here we go. So it's the mesh grill. It fit kind of weird, man. I just tried it without the camera. Let me go home and get the camera stand. But it fit kind of weird. Like, It don't cover the whole top and bottom. But you won't really notice it unless you up close on it. So it molds into the shape, right? And then you tie it down. But I mean, I like it. I think it's pretty dope. And then let me show y'all the illuminated emblem. Hey, that's looking nice though. Like I say, this gonna look real sweet, man. But I just wish they made it just a little bit bigger, so it can like cover every edge, man. Every edge. But I mean, it's still gonna work. It's still gonna look nice. You know what? I think I mismatched them. One might be bigger than the other. One goes to the bottom, one goes to the top. So let me switch. Let's see. Yeah, so look, this one. See, it go up there, but it don't go all the way. And it go down, but it don't go all the way. Yeah, so. I mean, it's still gonna look nice, though. But look at the emblem, though. Can't really tell, because it ain't nighttime, but that's gonna look tight. It's gonna look tight.